We're gonna do a surprise for Mommy. Come, quickly. Sleep. Mommy's sleeping. We're gonna do something. I think she's already sleeping. Let's go. Let's go quickly. We got the cat. The cat is gonna help us cook. We're gonna do a magic cupcake.
Hey!
Hmm.
Mommy wants some wet.
La 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 la. She's sleeping. I think she's sleeping.
Oh, magic is made out from this.
Yes, magic is made from chocolate. Are you ready, Vincent?
Yes.
What we're gonna do, I'm gonna put all the ingredients in there, okay? You ready? Now you eat it.
No! Now we put these.
Not yet. We need first to mix it all together.
No.
Yeah? I think we're pretty much done, aren't we, Vincent?
No.
Yeah?
We need to put sprinkles inside.
We need to put sprinkles. Which color do you want?
All of them.
Whoa, good. And now you press go. Oh! Oh! Oh, so dizzy.
I'm not busy. It's looking like it's gonna stick there forever.
Oh my god, it's gonna stick on the top.
Forever.
Forever. Ah! And
See?
we're gonna see now. What? It fell again. Look. It looked like it went down. Let's see. Oh. Wow! Look at this. We did it. It's hot, isn't it? Let's put some sprinkles on top. And I'm gonna cut bits of strawberry to put. Sprinkles first, just a few. Wow. Now I thought maybe we put a strawberry on top like this. And
Who's the big one for? What's the big one for?
whoa.
What is that?
Isn't it pretty?
Yes.
Okay, let's put it back. We need to send it to Mommy. Are you gonna take it for Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shh, shh, shh. We're gonna give it to Mommy. Mommy, Mommy, look what we've got for you, Mommy. Does it smell chocolatey?
Wow!
We did a magic mug cake.
Enjoy it.
And enjoy it, Mother.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. Vincent did the coordinating and I did everything else. Try it.
I want to try a
Oh,
strawberry.
yes, it is important to try all the ingredients, Vincent. Ah! Do you want some of it, Vincent?
Yeah.
What about you, Vincent? Is it good? Yeah, delicious. Yum.
Let me try.
Now I try. Chocolatey.
You eat it the whole bit.
Yeah. Delicious. Bye bye, Vincent. Bye bye, Mommy.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Join us for my experiments. Subscribe.